Hello everyone, how are you doing? Welcome to my YouTube channel Love Spellcaster Online. Today I am telling you about most powerful love spell for beginners. So let's start the video. Are you a beginner? Do you wish to get your love back in 2 minutes? This spell is the perfect for you. You should try this spell. This spell will surely work you. This spell will make your love come to you within a matter of just 2 minutes. Materials needed to cast the spell. You need a 4 items: wax, coal, incense and sugar. Method to cast the spell. Take some coal, take some wax, put them together, put sugar on them. Burn the whole thing, burn the incense, throw it in moving water. Your spell is cast. Your love will instantly contact you. Your love will come back in 2 minutes. Precautions needed to cast the spell. Cast the spell in the full moonlight. Cast it at some lonely place. Have full faith in success of spell. For more information, contact us Aghori Dinesh Babaji. Mobile number is 9530646053. WhatsApp is available on this number. Send your queries on WhatsApp. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you so much guys for watching this video.